Hi everybody, I've jumped off stage only because I want to minimize Murphy's Law. As you know, in the hotel, anything could happen with the internet, and I wanted to make sure that I could show you something that I'm really excited about. We've partnered with Paul Allen, as I've described, but let me show you this technology that I believe will change the way that we go to market and that we will be viewed by the marketplace itself. I believe one of the Achilles heel of Sandler Online is that you have to log in, which is fine, but people like Jody Williams and others have been pushing content which forces the user then to log in versus, oh, if I remember, I'll do it. But here's another way to do it using state-of-the-art technology. I'm going to show it to you. Let your mind wander about how you think we could use this and what it would do for our brand. So let's try. I'm going to use my phone with Alexa. I'm going to give it, I don't know, maybe 5-10 commands and let it see how it works with me. I could be in my car, could be in an elevator going to a call, could be anywhere, but let's try. Open my sales coach demo.
Welcome back. Do you want to hear your sales calls for today?
Yes.
You have 5 appointments on your calendar today. Here are your first 3. At 8 a.m. with John Gleason, VP Talent Acquisition at Caterpillar. At 10:30 a.m. with Megan Smith at Products Unlimited. At 1 p.m. with Erica Jones, CEO at Global Leadership. Say next for your other appointments. What appointment do you want?
Tell me about John.
John Gleason is the VP Talent Acquisition at Caterpillar. His strengths are achiever, activator, ideation, futuristic, belief. His disc profile is influencer. Your last meeting with John was on April 2nd, where you discussed his pain points. Your next meeting with him is today at 8 a.m. John's pain points include 30% of executives will retire within 5 years. Loss of institutional knowledge. Not enough leaders ready to step up. Lack of technical talent in South Dakota area. What next?
What question should I ask someone with ideation?
You should ask ideation. With whom do you share your ideas? How else can I help you?
What deals are associated with John?
There are 3 deals associated with John. Caterpillar New South Dakota Plant Staffing. Caterpillar Workforce Planning Analysis. Caterpillar Executive Recruiting. What do you want to do?
You know, I'm new to Sandler, just got out of the foundation, so let me review that. What is the sales process?
The 7 steps of the Sandler sales system are 1. Bonding and rapport. 2. Upfront contract. 3. Pain. 4. Budget. 5. Decision. 6. Fulfillment. And 7. Post-sell. Do you want more details?
What is step 3?
Step 3. Pain. People buy based on emotion, which is why identifying pain points is so important in the sales process. Without identifying and addressing pain, the likelihood of a sale dramatically decreases. Do you want to hear the next step?
No, tell me about fulfillment step.
Step 6. Fulfillment. A sales presentation has little to do with features and benefits. That's not why prospects buy. They buy to eliminate pain. Successfully addressing the pain points identified earlier in the relationship will bring you closer to finalizing the sale. At the conclusion of the presentation, ask the prospect to rate their interest on a scale of 0 to 10. If they answer 5 or lower, your sale is at risk and you will need to address unanswered questions. If the prospect's response is 6 to 9, ask them what needs to be resolved to score a 10. Once at 10, ask the prospect what the next step should be. Let them close the sale for you. Go to the next step?
No, I saw a rule on YouTube. What is Sandler Rule number 1?
Rule number 1. You have to learn to fail to win. Here is a short clip about this rule.
Hello, this is Bob Inoni with Sandler Training, here to talk to you about rule number 1. You have to learn to fail to win. Think about learning how to walk or riding a bike. When you first started to learn how to walk, of course you fell. And you fell again, but eventually you mastered the art of walking. Same thing with riding a bike or driving a car or making cold calls or starting up a business. Henry Ford failed 4 times before he succeeded. Thomas Edison worked almost 10 years on the light bulb before he succeeded. They weren't failures.
So I've stopped it, but you could see that it's pulled from 2 separate databases. In the beginning, it gave me my appointments via my Outlook or my Salesforce.com CRM or my Office 365 CRM. And then I moved to Sandler Online in that database. So I'll ask you, where do you think that we could use this type of technology today and as we move into the future? But see, Alexa is really smart as well because it takes a ton of pulls from the outside world. Let me show you. Open my sales coach demo.
Welcome back. Do you want to hear your sales calls for today?
What's the market impression of Miller Hyman?
When being trained by Miller, Hyman, or Richardson, the customer always leaves feeling empty and unfulfilled. Bazinga!
Boom.